In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a bill of account statement template in Microsoft Word. Start by opening Microsoft Word and creating a new blank document. An account statement should present financial information in a clear and organized way, so we'll use headings, tables, and consistent formatting to create a professional template that can be customized for different accounts. Begin by adding the title at the top of the page. Type Bill of Account Statement and place it in the center. Make the title larger and bold so it is easy to identify. Next, add the basic information for the statement. You can include details such as the account holder, account number, statement date, and other relevant information. Arrange these details neatly near the top of the document so they are easy to find. Now, create the main table for the account transactions. Go to the Insert tab, select Table, and choose the number of columns and rows you need. The table should provide enough space for the different details you want to record. In the first row, enter the headings for your account information. For example, you can use columns for date, description, reference, debit, credit, and balance. Adjust the column widths so that each heading and its information can fit properly. Next, enter the transaction details into the table. Add each transaction on a separate row and place the information under the appropriate heading. Continue adding rows for the transactions that need to appear on the account statement. You can format the table to make it easier to read. Select the table and use the table design options to adjust the borders, alignment, font, and other formatting. Make the heading row bold so that it is clearly separated from the transaction information. After entering the transactions, add a section for the account summary. This section can be placed below the main table and can include information such as the total amount, payments, balance due, or other relevant figures. Arrange these details clearly so the reader can quickly understand the account status. Next, review the overall layout of the statement. Make sure the title, account information, transaction table, and summary are properly aligned and fit neatly on the page. Adjust the table or spacing if necessary, so the template remains clean and easy to read. Finally, review the entire document for accuracy and consistency. Check the headings, transaction details, numbers, borders, and alignment before using the template. Once the format is ready, you can reuse the same structure for other account statements by replacing the information with the appropriate details. And that's how you can create a bill of account statement template in Microsoft Word. By using a structured table and consistent formatting, you can create a clear statement that is easy to customize and maintain. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,